Hello, wonderful family. Welcome back to my channel. Here is Rhema Healthy Way, your home of healthy recipes. Thank you for clicking on this video. So I want to say a very big thank you to anybody who has been a support to this channel, especially to my returning subscribers. Guys, I really love you. Thank you for the comment, the likes, and the shares. I really appreciate this. Okay, so guys, today let's bake or roast some chicken. So I'm going to show you how I do mine at home. So to begin, I'll need to cleanse or wash my chicken with some lemon juice, and I'm going to leave it for about 1 to 2 minutes, and it's enough, after which I am going to cleanse with fresh water. So after then, I am going to add a little bit of lemon juice to my chicken, some fresh onions. I'm also going to make sure I mix it very well. Since I'm going to roast or bake this, I really need all ingredients to get aligned with my chicken, which is very important. So I'm adding some salt to taste, some garlic powder, black pepper, chicken seasoning. If you're making this, you can use any chicken seasoning of choice. Okay, and I am also going to add some ginger powder, which is also very important. I'm also going to add a very special seasoning I have in my kitchen, after which I'm also going to add cayenne pepper, okay, and my grill seasoning, which is also very important. So what I'm doing next is to add some olive oil. And so this olive oil is olive basil oil. If you're making this, you can just choose any kind of olive oil you want. Mine have basil in it, and it's really great, and I love the smell and everything about it. It's very important to me. So after this is my secret ingredient. Anytime I'm roasting chicken, I add a little bit of butter to it, because I really need that stock for something. And you want to know that the butter always give your chicken a very nice color and also a delicious taste. And to talk about your stock, it really gives it a very delicious taste. And if you use it for your sauce, your jollof rice, and any other thing, you are going to love it. So at this point, I'm just going to set it aside or leave it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then the next, because I am going for my stock and I don't want to miss it, I am going to place this paper in my baking pan or my baking tray, because it is very important to me. So I'm going to take it out intermittently. Anytime I check on my chicken and I realize I have some stock, I'm going to take it out. Now I'm baking this under 200 degrees. So guys, if you're still watching me at this point and you're not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. So if you are not sharing, if you're not commenting or liking at this point, you want to do this, you want to give me some thumbs up. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to share with other people as well. So after turning my chicken, what I'm going to do is to give it a little oil, okay, from my olive basil. So that is what I'm going to do, and the color is killing already. I love it. Usually I love my chicken not so moist, and not so dry, okay, just in between, because it really tastes great at that point. And yeah, so thank you very much. This is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. So until I come your way again next time, here is Rhema Healthy Way. It's bye.